Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the tips to save and improve the battery health. First one is don't charge 0% to 100% every day. So the best charging range is 20% to 80%. Okay, better to charge the laptop before it goes 10 below. Next step, avoid using a laptop while charging for heavy work. Suppose you are making any video editing at that time. Don't do that while charging because it will start to heat. That heat will kill the battery life. Third one, as I said, we should keep the laptop cool. For that, we need to use the cooling pads for the laptop because just now I said heat is the battery enemy. Fourth one is avoid overnight charging. So suppose the charge while you are going for sleep is just 10%. So you thought to keep the charge. So we should not keep the charge over a night. Fifth one is enable the battery conservation mode if available in your laptop. As I know, in Lenovo, there is conservation mode. In HP, we have battery care. In Dell, we have Dell Power Manager. So this will limit the charging to 80% for a long life. Now, sixth one is to reduce the brightness and background process. The main thing, the background process, which apps are not in use, just make them sleep. So it will help to reduce the power and also reduce the brightness, which is not good for eye also. So less power, less heat, so longer health of the laptop. Now seventh one is don't store the laptop fully charged. Suppose think that you are not using the laptop regularly. You are using it once in week. So better before shutdowning, keep the charge around 50 to 60 and shut down it. And the last one is we should not use the fake chargers. We should use the branded company charger only. From this, we will save the battery. And I will tell you one command. Just type cmd your type power space slash battery report. Click enter. Here you will get one link. Just copy this and paste it in the Google. Here we will get the complete battery report. See how many times you have charged your laptop from the starting when you take. Here, this is the design capacity. Now this is the present full charge capacity. I will tell you check how much battery percent it is good. So first type the design capacity. That design capacity is the total. So first type 31726 divided by total 41040. Hit enter. Now multiply by 100. So this much percent my battery health condition is good. So in your laptop also you check and how much percent it is good. See, that's all about how to save the battery. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.